What if your balcony could look like something out of a magazine without giving up a single inch of floor space? Most apartment dwellers look at their small balcony and assume there is simply not enough room for a real garden. But here's what they're missing: vertical space. Hanging flowers use the air around you, turning bare railings and empty walls into cascading curtains of color. Here are 18 of the best ones, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones belong on your balcony. Moss rose is a cheerful, low-maintenance flower that is perfect for sunny balconies and warm weather. Its bright blooms in shades of pink, yellow, and red create a display that looks far more high-maintenance than it actually is. It's also drought-tolerant, so the occasional mist watering will not cost you anything. Begonias bring waxy, fragrant blooms that perform beautifully in partial shade, making them ideal for balconies that do not get full sun all day. They come in a wide range of colors and bloom generously throughout the season. If your balcony sits in that in-between light, begonias are one of your most reliable options. Petunias are among the most popular hanging balcony flowers for good reason. They bloom continuously, trail beautifully over basket edges, and come in almost every color imaginable. They do require regular deadheading to keep the blooms coming, but the effort is minimal compared to the display they put on. For a summer balcony that looks constantly alive with color, petunias are hard to beat. Fuchsia is one of those flowers that stops people in their tracks with its dramatic two-toned, pendulous blooms that dangle like tiny earrings from the basket. It has a natural spreading habit that makes it perfectly suited for hanging displays. And varieties like Cecile, Claudia, and Dark Eyes are specifically excellent for balcony use. Give it the right conditions and it'll reward you with one of the most visually striking displays on this entire list. Verbena is a reliable trailer that spills beautifully over the edges of hanging baskets and railing planters with clusters of small vivid flowers. It performs best with ample sunlight and good airflow, so open sunny balconies are where it truly shines. Keep the soil slightly moist and it will trail and bloom consistently throughout the growing season. Lobelia is a low-growing, slow-spreading plant that produces a sea of small, intense blue flowers, a color that is genuinely rare among hanging balcony plants. If your balcony has white or light-colored walls, lobelia against that backdrop creates a contrast that looks almost intentionally designed. It needs around 4 to 5 hours of sunlight daily, and also looks stunning spilling out of window boxes. Impatiens is the go-to choice for north or east-facing balconies that receive little to no direct sun, and it performs where almost every other flowering plant on this list would fail. It comes in a wide range of colors including pink, red, yellow, and purple, and blooms generously even in deep shade. You can hang it on balconies, decks, or wall hooks and it will quietly deliver color all season long without complaint. Lantana is one of the most fascinating flowers on this list because its blooms actually change color as they develop, creating a multicolored cluster effect on a single plant. It's also a natural pest repellent, which makes it as functional as it is beautiful on a balcony. In frost-free climates, it flowers virtually year-round, making it one of the longest-performing options available. Black-eyed Susan vine brings bold yellow flowers with striking dark centers that instantly add a sunny, lively energy to any balcony. It's a vigorous climber and trailer that fills out hanging baskets quickly and requires very little fuss to maintain. If you want something cheerful and easy that makes a strong visual statement, this one delivers every single time. African daisies are perfect for spilling over the edges of railings and hanging baskets with their bright, open blooms that face the sun enthusiastically. They mix beautifully with other annuals and perennials, so you can combine them in a single basket for a layered, colorful display. They're easy to care for and bring a wildflower-like freshness to balcony gardens of any size. Sweet alyssum is a delicate-looking plant that is tougher than it appears, tolerating both heat and drought with ease. Its tiny clustered flowers carry a light, honey-like fragrance that makes sitting on your balcony genuinely pleasant on warm evenings. It works beautifully in hanging pots and window boxes where its fine textured contrasts nicely with bolder flowering plants nearby. Pansies are instantly recognizable by their unique face-like petal markings, and they are one of the best choices for cool season balcony gardens when most other flowers have finished. They thrive in cooler temperatures, need only 4 to 5 hours of sunlight, and bring cheerful color to hanging baskets during spring and autumn when the balcony can otherwise look bare. They are genuinely one of the most hassle-free options on this list. Twin spur is a trailing plant that most people have never heard of, but once they see it cascading over the edge of a container, they immediately want it. Its delicate spurred flowers dribble beautifully over railing planters and hanging baskets in shades of pink, coral, and white. It suits almost any balcony setting and adds a softness and elegance that bolder flowers simply cannot replicate. Geraniums are a classic balcony flower for a reason. Their lobed green leaves and boldly colored flower heads look beautiful in hanging baskets and railing planters alike. They are robust, long-blooming, and relatively easy to care for as long as they receive plenty of direct sunlight throughout the day. Few hanging flowers deliver the same combination of visual impact and reliability that geraniums consistently provide. Million Bells earns its name honestly. Given a large basket and some sun, it fills every inch of available space with tiny bell-shaped flowers that bloom in extraordinary abundance. It's one of the best summer performers for window boxes and hanging baskets, coming in shades of pink, purple, yellow, and orange. Plant it once and it will reward you with non-stop color from spring all the way through to the first frost. Nasturtium brings something genuinely unique to this list. It's not just beautiful, it's edible. Its colorful, mildly fragrant blooms grow on long trailing vines that spill generously over basket edges. And both the flowers and leaves can be added to fresh salads with a mild peppery flavor. It's easy to grow, requires very little attention, and gives you both a decorative and culinary harvest from the same hanging basket. Bougainvillea, some pronounce it bougainvillea, is for those who want their balcony to make a statement that the entire neighborhood notices. In warm Mediterranean-style climates, it spills over railings and spreads across walls in dramatic cascades of vivid pink, purple, orange, and red. Give it a sunny balcony and it will grow with an energy and color intensity that no other plant on this list can match. Trailing snapdragon was literally bred to spread and cascade, which makes it one of the most naturally suited plants for hanging balcony displays. Its long trailing stems covered in colorful blooms create a waterfall effect that draws attention from every angle. Put it on a balcony and it'll produce the kind of cascading floral display that makes neighbors genuinely envious. 18 flowers, endless color, and not a single inch of floor space required. Your balcony already has everything it needs. Now it just needs the right plant. If this video helped you find it, like it right now and subscribe, because we have more ideas like this coming that your balcony is going to love.